We're leading the 9 a.m. bulletin with some breaking news. A national-level shooter has alleged that she was raped by a fellow sports person. A case has been registered against the shooter on the basis of her allegations at Delhi's Chanakyapuri police station. The woman has said that the accused, who had competed in international events, used to coach her. I'm joined by India Today correspondent Ilma Hassan. Ilma, please give us the details of this case.
Well, the woman shooter filed a complaint on Thursday, Archana, and it was only on Saturday that the police informed the accused that a case has been filed against him. Now, the victim claims that she was raped by her coach. Apparently, he had been teaching her for the past 2 years. A fellow shooter himself competed in several international competitions as well. They used to train. They met at the Sports Authority of India's shooting range, and that's when he started to coach her. Now, the woman also said that is when they allegedly got into a relationship. So on her birthday, when she invited him to her house, he apparently spiked her drink, and that is when he raped her. He had also made promises of marrying her, taking the relationship forward. But after this incident, he completely started ignoring her, and that is when she went to the police to file a complaint. Before that, Archana, the woman also raised some serious allegations, saying that he threatened to kill her as well. Now, a complaint has been filed, and the medical report has confirmed that she was in fact raped, and the police probe is on.
All right, Ilma, my question was that only if the medical test has been undertaken. So what happens from now on? Is that accused arrested?
No, the accused hasn't been arrested yet, Archana. All we know is that the Chanakyapuri police station has informed him about the case and has asked him to be a part of the probe. Now, the woman has raised serious allegations about him, the fact that he told her that he threatened to kill her with a rifle and make it look like an accident, that he spiked her drink and he raped her. So a number of serious level of allegations have been raised against him. Now, he's part of the probe and the investigation is on.
All right, thank you so much, Ilma Hassan, for that update. I will come back to you when we have more details on the story.